and subscribe. Man, it seems to be quiet on my comfy bed. It seems to be better. R142 Air Train, come downstairs. Okay. R142 Air Train and Peconia Nano. Today we're going on a trip. We're going on a trip to Times Square. What? I hate Times Square. Yeah. And also, Air Train. I promise it will be good. So you gotta be on your best behavior. R142 Air Train. Did you spill chips on me? Oh. R142 Air Train. How dare you throw chips at me? That's it. You're going to get a strike system. This is your first strike. 10 more and then you're grounded. Hello. What can I get something for the three of you? I would like a water with sandwich. I will like a Sprite with chocolate milk. And also some spaghetti. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna change my voice to the captain's. Ha 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 ha. Hey, R188. May I go to the bathroom? Sure, Air Train. Okay. Oh, okay. This is where the conductor is. Okay, I'm gonna turn this voice to the captain's. Okay, time to do that. Attention passengers. There is another train behind us. We will wait until the other train leaves. Ha 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 ha. That was so funny. Ha ha. What are you laughing for? Nothing. Did you hear the captain's voice? Actually, adults don't get scared, so it's probably really you. You got your second strike. Not 8 more and then you're grounded. What? I thought you're not smart. Oh, damn it. Attention passengers, we're at the station. At the last stop. That's our location. Let's go. At Times Square. Wow. It's so cool. Yeah. And also, R188 Air Train. Don't you dare try to make troubles. And the sun is going down. Maybe let's go to McDonald's. McDonald's. At McDonald's. Wow. The nuggets will never get old. This is the best McDonald's ever. And it has a statue of a chicken. I'm gonna destroy the bathroom. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, okay? In the bathroom. I'm gonna destroy the bathroom. I'm gonna destroy it. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. This is funny. I hope nobody gets noticed. I'm back. Since you're back, I'm going to the bathroom too. Oops. Togo! Oh my gosh! Oh my freaking god. Why? Why is the bathroom destroyed? Wait, I saw the mirror. MTA air train? That must be him. Train. Get here! Get back here right now! Oh my gosh. What happened to the bathroom? Wait, I know who it is. Oh wait, let me check the toilet papers. MTA air train. Oh my god. MTA air train, come back. Get back here right now. Yes. Oh my freaking gosh. MTA air train. How dare you destroy the bathroom? That's it. You're getting your third strike. 7 more and then you're grounded. Fine. This is so cool. We could get to see everything. I know. Attention. This is going to be the fourth strike. Oh my goodness. Oh wait. My brother. Ha 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 ha. WAAA. R188 7. Air train punched me. Oh my god. Oh my god. How dare you hit your little brother? That's it. You have your final strike. Means that we're going home and then you'll be grounded. Nah. R188 air train line. Whatever it is. How dare you misbehave on our field trip? That's it. Today is 2 punishments day. First punishment, hearing Nano gets grounded intro. No. I don't like Nano gets grounded intro. I like the Nina gets grounded intro. Too bad. So sad.
naughty boy. I don't know why people say I'm naughty. And worse, my parents keep grounding me. They always do that whenever I do stuff I like to do. But why? No, 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 no. Ha ha ha.
We are Nano's parents, and we are very naughty, and we murder little kids, and we laugh, but other scratchers keep grounding us. Wah 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 wah.
until it's you're grounded until it's 2025. Go to your room right now. Joe, yeah.